Hi. I know, I've never looked worse in existence. Don't even fucking ask. Let's see this whole thing. Let's see it all in person. Don't fucking bleach your hair at home. Do y'all see this shit? Like, oh my God.
How will I ever recover? Oh my God, what am I going to do? I can't go outside looking like this.
I look like Draco Malfoy, a wet Cocker Spaniel, raw ramen noodles. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. God, this is perfect. Silver perfection. Oh my God, we doing it. Hey thotties, welcome back to my second channel, aka my beauty channel, where I like to transform from looking like a shelter dog that will never get adopted to a catfish looking ass bitch. So let's go ahead and begin, because I cannot stand to look at my hair like this anymore. If there's any hair experts watching, please tell me how to fix this. I don't know what I should do. I might just dye it pink or something like that. And also get your thotty merch. What the fuck are you doing? Link in the bio. Oh my gosh, I look like pink. Damn, I actually kind of like this. Hold up, is this like a new style? Just a bunch of fucking boobies bouncing in the front of my hair. Oh my God, my hair can twerk. Maybe this was a good idea. I look like a fucking troll doll. Count Dracula, Cruella de Vil. Look like I'm going for a swim. Let's try on the hair for good measure. Make sure everything fits, even though I already fucking cut the lace off and I know it does. Oh, it's sticking to the background. Fucking spider weave. Okay. Ooh, bitch. Okay, all right. This hair was sent to me by Sogoodhair, by the way, and this hair is literally so good. I don't know how else to put it. This is the third wig that they've sent me. I'm feeling like a little spoiled bitch or whatever. So thank you so much, Sogoodhair, for sending this to me. I love it. I love silver hair, so thank you so much. I need to hide my forehead a little bit more. But yeah, link will be in bio, and I want to curl it a little bit more afterwards, but let me just get some glue down, okay, bitch? Make sure when you glue your wig down, you use this got to be glue. I got the black packaging, and no matter what I do, I just can't make it stick on my hair. I don't know what it is, but I'm pressed. And I'm just gonna glue down the front section of my wig because this wig actually fits my head perfectly. A lot of wigs that I get are either way too small or way too big, and the sides really don't need to be glued down because it's just really snug already. And I use the clips in the back, so we good. I'm gonna just go ahead and place this down, and I'm fucking good to go. But my face is not good to go. I look sick. If I'm being real, I have been in Marvin's room for like 4 days straight, which is not very bad bitch of me, but I think it's time to get over myself and fucking try to look cute, try to glow up, and stop looking like Marvin's room. Nose job update. I went to meet with like a plastic surgeon consultant type thing. He told me he would shave off 1 millimeter of my nose. 1 millimeter, and it would cost me $11,000. I was like, 1 millimeter? To shave off a little bit? $11,000? Bitch, I can do that on the pavement myself. So excuse me if I'm not in the best mood. I waited for that appointment for literal months just for him to tell me that I'm pretty much fucked. I did get this blush though on sale. This is Too Faced Cherry Bomb Fruit Cocktail Blush. I got this shit at Winners. I don't know if y'all have Winners in the US, but it's basically like Marshall's, all that stuff. Look at how pretty. It's like gold on one side and then red on one side. This will work well for a lot of different skin tones, which is why I'm taking more on the gold side, but I'm really like tapping it off and then just going in. I really love a good blush cheek. Just add some color to your face and some happiness, because God knows I need that shit. I went really fucking crazy. Oh God. Whatever. Actually, it's not whatever. Let me just try to blend that a little bit more so that I don't look like a crackhead. Okay, so for eyes, I'm gonna be taking my favorite palette in the entire world. Ooh, this is the Morphe 39S palette, and if I were to ever make a fucking makeup palette, it would be this. Oh my God, I just dropped it. Can you imagine if I just dropped it and everything plattered? I've just been feeling pinks lately, so I think I'm gonna just start out with, actually, should we do purple? Purple looks like shit on me. We're gonna do pink. So I'm gonna just start by just going in dry with this color. Oh, I don't have a mirror. Oh my God. If this makeup looks like shit, mind your business, because I have to use this little teeny tiny mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna just start. I'm gonna just like push it into my outer corner, kind of like that. Like you see how I just like dabbed it in type thing. I'm not really blending. I'm gonna just dab up in this bitch. I just like to make a base that's good enough for me to Facetune it out later, because Facetune fixes literally everything, okay? My skin is breaking out, but at least I got good hair, right? That's all that matters. Not really. Okay, I went really crazy with the pink, but I think it looks really good. I think what I'm gonna do is take this pink color right here and literally go in with my finger because this shit is just so good. I know how to put it. It's just like putty. It goes in all the right places. So I have been obsessed with Euphoria lately. I don't know why it took me so long to watch it. I thought it was just gonna be like some typical teenage high school show. And I was kind of like, I'm too old to watch this. I don't really care. But it is so good, for real. If you're thinking about watching Euphoria, you need to fucking watch it. Like, I was hooked in the first 30 seconds. Maddie's makeup, obviously, is just the talk of the fucking town in the beauty industry. Everybody loves Maddie. And her looks are freaking amazing. So I got these from the dollar store. They're basically really cheap rhinestones that are probably gonna fall off within 2 seconds, but I'm just gonna put some around my face, okay? I look so fucking scary like this. Okay, you know what? Fuck the rhinestones. Actually, no, we won't. What the fuck is wrong with me? Okay, I'm most likely gonna rip these rhinestones off any second, but
You're way too beautiful, girl. I know you still think about the times we had. No, and you're gonna love me. So you can say what you want, but no. I'm staying. See, maybe that's what a superstar, you know that I'll be.
I don't even know how to curl hair. This is going in the wrong direction, but I don't care. I still look cute, okay? Oh, fuck. No, that's not cute. Okay, we'll just sweep it like that, okay? What if I like part it differently? What if I just go like that? Okay, there we go. That looks a little bit better. Anyways, this is going to be the finished look, as y'all can see. Thank you so much for chilling with me. Sorry my energy has been so low in other videos. I'm just going through it like always. I don't know what else to say. I don't know how to put it. Just give me time and I'll be fine again. All we need is time, right? I don't know. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to So Good Hair for sending me this bomb ass hair. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will talk to y'all another day. So goodbye, bitches.